Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tally Mobile Pro. First, let's get you set up. Begin by downloading the Tally Mobile Pro application from your preferred app store. Once installed, you'll need to either create a new account or simply log in if you already have one. After logging in, connect the mobile app to your Tally desktop data. This crucial step ensures all your financial information is synchronized and accessible on the go, providing real-time updates. Now, let's dive into entering transactions. Tally Mobile Pro makes it simple to record all your essential financial activities. You can easily add sales, purchases, and various payment vouchers directly from your phone. It's also straightforward to manage your inventory, allowing you to add new stock items whenever needed. Plus, you have the flexibility to quickly view and edit any existing transaction details, ensuring your records are always accurate. Understanding your business's financial health is vital, and Tally Mobile Pro provides powerful reporting tools. You can instantly access key financial reports, such as your balance sheet, directly from the app. It's also easy to review your profit and loss statements while you are on the move, giving you a clear picture of your performance. Furthermore, you can analyze individual ledger accounts for detailed insights into specific financial activities, helping you make informed decisions. To maximize your Tally Mobile Pro experience, consider these advanced features and tips. Leverage the real-time data synchronization to ensure you always have the most up-to-the-minute information at your fingertips. Always secure your sensitive financial data by using strong, unique passwords for your account. Additionally, take advantage of the customization options for report views. Tailoring these can provide you with more personalized and actionable business insights, enhancing your overall productivity.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.